Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to duplicate yourself in Capcut. First, set up your camera on a sturdy tripod. It is critical that it does not move at all during filming. Record your first action on one side of the frame for several seconds. Then, without moving the camera, move to the other side and record your second action. Remember to keep your lighting consistent between both takes for the best results. Now, let's bring your footage into Capcut. Start a new project and import both of your recorded video clips. Drag your first clip onto the main timeline. For the second clip, select it and choose the Overlay option. This will place it on a separate track directly beneath your main video, setting the stage for our cloning magic. With your clips layered, it's time for the mask. Select your overlay clip on the timeline, then navigate to the Mask option in the editing menu. Choose either the split or horizontal mask. You will see a yellow line appear. Rotate this line 90 degrees to create a vertical split. Carefully drag and adjust the mask to perfectly reveal both versions of yourself. To make your clone effect look truly seamless, use the feather slider within the mask settings. This softens the edge of the mask, helping to blend the two clips naturally. Make any final adjustments to the overlay's size and position until your duplicated self looks just right. Once satisfied, export your video in high resolution to share your amazing creation with everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.